To generate a pyramid, you will need to create multiple rows. When you have to perform a task repeatedly until a condition is met, you will use a loop. Ooh. There are many ways to write a loop. You are going to start with a basic for loop, and for loops use the following syntax. For, and then inside of it are these three. It says iterator, iterator, condition, and iteration. And inside of it would be the logic. So, yes, we will perhaps explain more about the details, but all I can say for now is that the iterator is where we initialize a value, and that initialized value would be then passed here in the condition. So as long as the condition has been met, it would always iterate, and then there would be the logic. So yes, it says in the upcoming steps you will explore each component for of a loop rather in details. Okay. For now, construct a for loop that includes rather the terms iterator, condition, and iteration for the three components. Keep the loop body, the section within the curly braces, empty. Okay, noted. For, and then curly braces empty. Inside of this parentheses are those three components, which are those iterator, condition, oops, and then iteration. Okay, what did I do? Iterator. Iterator, condition, iteration. I just did it right. What did it say? Iterator is not defined. Huh? First component of your for loop should be the string iterator. Oh, okay. Okay, it says it should be a string. They should be a string. I am sorry. Okay, now what? The second component of your for loop should be the string condition. Okay, I just did that earlier. Third component of your for loop should be the string iteration. I, I just did that earlier too. Now what? Potential infinite loop detected on line 5. Tests may fail if this is not changed. Okay, now it works. What? Crazy. Anyways, that should be it. Nice.